Do you know the difference between those who quickly achieve their goals and those who constantly trade water? The former follow a proven plan, while the latter start from scratch every time and make the same mistakes. Hello friends, my name is Trevor and we have been professionally engaged in market analysis for 5 years. We spent years studying and testing the most effective approaches to create a system that not only saves time but also makes analysis understandable even to a beginner. Today, we're ready to show you how it works in practice. Be sure to watch this video till the end. That's where we'll give you clear steps that can open up completely new opportunities for you. Before we begin the session, I want to share something important. If you've been looking for an easy way to learn about trading without getting bogged down by the terminology and unnecessary information, you've come to the right place. We have created a space where we can share what we have been looking on for years. We have created a space where we can share what we've been working on for years. Analysis of our trades, the logic behind our actions, and the strategies we use in real time. There is no need to understand the technical nuances. You just need to follow our decisions, which you will see in our live streams. This may be suitable even if you have never encountered this activity before. And the most interesting thing is that access to the community is now open and free. Before we move on to the session, check us out. Follow the link in the pinned comment and join our community. In the meantime, we'll get started and it will be interesting. The price broke the middle Bollinger Band downwards. MACD shows a clear sell signal, so we have to open an option down. Yes, the trade closed in profit. Strong signal from MACD, and let's pack the bags, guys. Price moving down from the upper Bollinger zone. MACD already confirmed the short, and the opening option is down. Perfect. Ended in profit. Next trade, please. The trend line was broken downwards. Oscillator and histogram have long confirmed the sell signal, and I am entering an option down. Excellent confirmation, as down it went and profits went high. Only half of the session has passed and you're already starting to understand how much clearer and more accessible things that previously seemed complicated and confusing are becoming. Within our community, we share practical insights, we show real-life experiences, and explain how processes work, what's important to pay attention to, and how to avoid common mistakes. All you need to do is follow us. In addition, you will have access to our exclusive materials that we do not publish publicly. You can get access for free right now, but since we work with each newcomer personally, the number of places is limited. Don't miss your chance and don't put it off until later. Follow the link in the pinned comment right now and we will help you master all the necessary information and start moving forward. Price holding near the middle Bollinger Band and moving higher. Oscillator confirms the same. An opening option is up. Finished in profit, strong upward move, another profit for the day. Okay, here we have the price consolidating below the middle Bollinger Band. MACD gives a short signal and I suggest opening action down. Beautiful, a clear downtrend and profit secured. Price broke the we're trading euros USD and the price broke the middle Bollinger Band upwards. MACD confirmed the buy. Entering option is up. Perfect end. Upward move confirmed. Another profit. Here we have the hammer pattern. Alright. From here we have the hammer pattern forming for growth. Strong buyback candle, oscillator supports long, entering option up. Yes, strong rise, profits up too. Our session has come to an end and look what we have accomplished. Now you know how much we approach analysis, the steps we take, and how this system helps us to study the market. So, if you feel like this could be your next step, follow the link in the pinned comment. We will be happy to see you in the community and to help you get started. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I'm sure this could be the beginning of something new. See you in the community.